is up, Annihilation Auto? In today's video, it's going to be a great video. We have our first detail that we're going to be doing. It's a V6 package. So I offer a V4, V6, and a V8 package. This V6 package on a Honda CR-V hybrid all-wheel drive is going to get an interior detail and exterior detail with a polish, clay bar, all that good stuff. So we're going to see the transformation of this vehicle. I'm going to show you a little bit of it before and after. Let's dive into it. We'll be using clean slate in the next step here. Doing a second hand wash. You can see the 2-bucket method as well. You can see the buildup on these tires as I go around, and each tire turned pretty dark brown and hit the wheels. Got my finer brush to go ahead and hit the lug nuts as well. I'm taking my smaller brush, making sure we get inside the gas cap and all the smaller spaces, getting the emblems as well around all the cracks and crevices. Definitely excited to get this Honda CR-V back to looking amazing, better than factory, and definitely worth it. All right, we're gonna go ahead and clay the car. Now I already did half of the hood. Now you can tell because look, you don't hear anything. It feels very smooth. I'm just doing light pressure. Now if you go over here versus over here, nothing. So this side has been clayed, that side hasn't. Just go back and forth until it's like very smooth. If you get stuck or hung up, you know you need to continue claying. At this point, my wife is going through and applying some leather conditioner to the seats to go ahead and keep them in tip-top shape. At this point, I'm just going in and applying VRP, which is vinyl, rubber, and plastic, to go ahead and protect those surfaces. We have our VSS, our pad conditioner, polisher, and an orange hex pad. I taped off half of the hood. We're going to start with the right side and compare it to the left. Here we can get a good glimpse. So after polishing the car, we added a jet seal. Let it dry for about 20 minutes, and then go ahead and clean with a nice clean microfiber. So it's like a sealant right there, jet seal. I love that stuff. So I'll show you that after.
customer was very excited to get her car back and loved the finished product. If you'd like to see more detailed videos like this and you watch until the end, give me 3 fire signs. Thank you so much, and be sure to subscribe.